Hey friend, do you like to learn new English words? In this video, we're going to talk about the word module. I'm going to answer two important questions. What does module mean, and how do you pronounce the word module? Hey, let's jump right in and get started. Module is an individual, independent part that is used to make something more complex. Let me repeat that one more time. Module is an individual, independent part that is used to make something more complex. Hey friend, let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word module. The modules used to make this house are made in South America. The modules used to make this house are made in South America. So the individual parts are made in South America, and then they are sent to the location, and that is where the house is put together. The professor created many learning modules when she developed the course. The professor developed many learning modules when she developed the course. So she took individual ideas about specific topics, developed those, and then brought them all together to complete the course. Now it's time for us to practice pronouncing the word module. I'm going to say the word. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Module. 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 Great job, everybody. If you need to practice pronouncing the word again, just repeat this section. When practicing English words, sometimes it's important to understand where the word originally came from. So module is actually a French word. As you can see on the screen, module is a two-syllable word. And check out this phonetic spelling. It will help you understand how to pronounce module better. Another way to think about modules is how I create my YouTube videos. There are these individual parts that I want to include in every video, and I take those parts and I put them together so that they form the entire lesson about the word that we are studying together. So I always have an introduction, and I put that at the beginning of the video. Then I take the definition. In my videos, the definition always comes second, so then I place that in the video as well. And then the third and the fourth part of my videos are example sentences and pronunciation practice. Now, these sometimes get changed in the position that I put them. So I can change where I place that unit, that module, so that it makes the video better. If I've helped you learn a new word today, please click the like button so that I can continue to make more videos and help other people. Check out the recommended videos. Talk to you later.